Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, my dogs are gonna go crazy while I do a Boxycharm unboxing. So first, let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is $21 a month. You get free shipping with this box. You get 4 to 5 full-size products valued at $100 or more. And then you can earn rewards, or charms as they call them, to redeem in the charm shop. So yeah. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and open this up. I'm pretty excited about this month's box. I've seen all the spoilers, so I am excited. All right. So it comes just like this. And then it has the little card. And it has this month's theme is Caribbean Queen. And then it has all the products that we're getting in here. So, yay! Let's go ahead and get into this bad boy. Okay, so the first thing I see on top is a brush set from Luxie. Hold on, let me get on the card here. So this is a 3-piece Flawless Complexion brush set. I like how they're packaged like that so they don't get all shaped all funny from being transported. So yeah, it's just got, this one is the Precision Foundation, which I actually already have. I think I got in an Ipsy bag, but mine's purple, so now I have a pink one. And then I have the Duo Fiber Powder Brush, very nice. And then I have the Tapered Highlighter Brush. So these are valued at $42. So I'm excited. I love brushes. And I just got another Luxie brush in my Ipsy bag. So I got a whole bunch of brushes today. That's exciting. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. The next thing we have is, looks like an eyeliner pencil. And this is from Jonteblu. Let's see. This is a waterproof eyeliner pencil. This is vegan, and I believe cruelty-free. I think I looked that up, and it is cruelty-free. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a swatch of it. The color is charcoal, so it's like a little, looks gray. So there it is on my hand. It's very creamy, goes on smooth. I don't think I have a gray eyeliner pencil, so I'm excited to have this. So I will definitely use this. Did I say the value of that? This is valued at $5, so that's exciting. The next thing we have in here, let's look at this. This is from Sol de Janeiro. It is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Let's see. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum bum. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. So, oh my gosh, it smells so good. If you're into like coconut and like tropical scents, I freaking love that. That smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my skin to see how it feels. It's very thick and creamy, so if you like those kind of lotions and body creams, you are gonna love this. It smells so good. I love this. This little sample size retails for $10, so I'm excited about that. Also cruelty-free. Let's see. The next thing I have in here is from Battington. Battington lashes. These are Monroe silk lashes. And they look like that. It says you can get up to 25 applications with these. That's pretty exciting. I know I don't wear lashes because I'm not good at putting them on. But that seems like a lot of wear for one pair of lashes. I know a lot of them it's like just a handful of times, and then you have to properly clean them. You know, anything around your eyes, you don't want to get an eye infection. So, but it's cute. It says right there, if all else fails, bat your lashes. How cute. I'm not sure if I'll use these or put them in a giveaway, just because I don't wear lashes and I'd rather them go to somebody, you know, who does wear lashes, but still exciting. These retail for $28. Okay, looks like we have 2 more things in here. The next one is from Ofra. It is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. And I have mine in the shade Verona, which looks like a nude that is more on the brown side. But it's not, I like that a lot. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys right there. It's very pretty. It looks a little more pink on camera, I think, than it is in real life, but it's very pretty. It looks like it dries down matte. I love Ofra liquid lipsticks. They do wear for a long time. They're comfortable on the lips, and they're really good. This is also cruelty free and retails for $21. All right, we got one more item in here. It is a palette, which I am so pumped about. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette. I'm sure my husband will say I'm butchering the Spanish language. He's actually from the Caribbean. He's from the Dominican Republic, so kind of have a little kindred spirit with this box. So here's what it looks like on the inside. I have a couple of shades, making a little bit of a mess, but there's what it looks like. So this is inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar, featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers and high shine metallics and velvety mattes. This is cruelty free. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a couple shades of this for you. I do like the colors are bright, but they're wearable. You know what I mean? I'm excited to mess around with this. The blue ones I'm a little nervous around. I don't wear a ton of blue eyeshadow just because I have blue eyes and I feel like that's a lot of blue. But I'll go ahead and swatch a few of them. They feel very buttery. So here's what they look like on the finger. These are 2 matte shades. Go ahead and put them on my arm. Pretty pigmented. I wiped them off and they're still on my fingers. Let's go ahead and do the other 2 matte shades. So you can see that one right there. The little orangey one is a little, I'm not sure if you can see that. It's pigmented, but it's not as bold as the other ones. And then let's go on my other arm and do a couple of the metallics. I'll just do them all actually. So there's what they look like on my fingers. So yeah, they're super pigmented and they feel really nice. Gosh, look at my fingers, they stay on there. That's awesome. I'm definitely really excited for this palette. Who doesn't love a palette? I love a palette, so. And I love that it's cruelty free. So actually everything in my box today was cruelty free. That's exciting. This retails for $28, which is not a bad price. Oh my gosh, I'm getting makeup all over this. So yeah, overall, this is actually probably one of my most favorite boxes I've gotten from Boxycharm. I love everything in it. There's nothing in here. Maybe the eyelashes I'm a little like, but even still I'm excited about those. Everything is good in here. Gray, I mean, you get an eyeliner, but it's gray, like it's not black, so that's exciting, excuse me. You get 3 really good brushes, a palette, the eyelashes, and then this amazing Bum Bum cream. Like, I am so pumped. So yeah, I will add up the value in the description box below because I'm very bad at math. But I can tell you it's over the $100 that they promise. So that's exciting. So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more hearing my dogs breathing and playing in the background, or just watching them. Look at her, she's just sitting there growling at me a little bit. She's like, don't bring attention to me. But if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.